My name's Scott Seuss and I work at CSL as a landscape technician, cutting the grass, doing the gardening, picking up litter, doing tree work, taking care of wildlife areas, various different things. It's never the same thing, usually every single day, which is nice. I've been an employee at CSL for 5 years roughly now, and I just enjoy the sites particularly that we maintain. They're so just beautiful, honestly breathtaking, different landscapes, and it keeps us going throughout the day to see it looking so good. It's more of a team and family environment, I find, working here. So it makes it easier to come into work every day knowing that, everybody has each other's backs. We can look at what we've accomplished over the past couple of years here in Ottawa. Taking care of those areas for sure give us a sense of pride and accomplishment.